Today we're gonna talk about and dissect the minimalist trail running shoe. Today everything is about the big soles and the chunkiness, and also the trail running and road running soles come with a very high thick midsole. But we have also another category called minimalism. So this is like a fresh breath, isn't it?
Okay, so let's start talking about the lateral, the profile, which you can say, yes, but what is there to talk about? There's almost nothing. Well, that is the case because the profile is very low. The reason that the profile is very low because we are talking about the minimal sole, which means that we have the minimum thickness, we have the minimum drop, we have the minimum lugs, everything is really very close to foot. And then we need the sensitivity of the ground. When we have such a low profile, we have a lot of sensitivity. And we feel the terrain. We need the lightness, so we have a lot of EVA. As you can see here, this is all EVA, the black part, and then the turquoise parts are rubber. So we have the Vibram, which is a very good compound for grip, for trail running. And then another thing is the flexibility, the freedom of, like really flexing your foot. The less material you have under your feet, the more flex you will have. And then what we do is talk about the drop. Drop means the heel height is around 4 millimeters, and you can see that inside the shoe there is nothing. It's just a cleaning of the straw belt stitching, and then we don't have anything that goes out, we don't have any insole, everything is very minimal. And then here the mesh is actually, this is a ripstop, is almost semi-transparent. It's very ventilated, very light and cool shoe, let's say. And what does it mean, the drop? If the drop is very low, it is very close to the foot anatomy. Our bare feet, they don't have any drop. So this is like 4 millimeters, just to give a little bit of comfort. We have minimal shoes with 2.5 millimeters of drop or zero drop, like the 5 fingers Vibram. And another thing is that we talked about is the very low lugs, and they are circular. They are very low because not having the base, which is really stable and thick. If we do very, like spike-like high lugs, then the problem is we're gonna start to lose the stability. So we have to keep them really low.